Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up AutoCAD hatch operations that cause freezing using the easy method. This is a great way to stop your drawing program from getting stuck on your design session so you can fill your boxes with lines without the app crashing. Step 1. Turn off the Live Fill preview setting. The first step is to open your main command options and turn off the Live View feature that makes the software try to draw the pattern automatically while you move your mouse. Move your pointer down to the typing bar at the bottom of your screen, type the word HP Quick Preview, hit the Enter key on your keyboard, type the word OFF or the number 0 into the entry box, and press Enter again. Move your mouse around your workspace to make sure the program stops trying to guess and show the lines before you actually click. This is the start of everything, because when this preview feature is left on, the computer works incredibly hard to calculate thousands of tiny pattern lines every time your mouse hovers over an open area. You have to turn off this automatic look-ahead tool so your processor can relax. Without this step, your machine will keep running out of steam and freezing up before you even select your target box. Next, you need to change how the software searches for the edges of your shapes so it only spends energy looking at what you can see on your active screen view instead of the whole giant drawing file. Type the word HPDG mod into the bottom text line, press Enter, change the set value number to 1 using your keyboard, and press the Enter key again to save the change. Move your mouse close to the specific object you want to fill so that other heavy parts of your blueprint are pushed off the sides of your monitor view. Because by default, the program searches your entire massive blueprint file to make sure your shapes are fully closed. By limiting the search area to your active screen view, you save a massive amount of system power. It ensures the computer finishes its calculation in a split second because it has a much smaller area to scan. Step 3. Set a maximum limit on the total number of tiny lines it is allowed to draw inside a single shape so it never gets overwhelmed with dense patterns. Type the word max hatch into the bottom command line space, hit your Enter key, type a reasonable number like 10,000 into the entry box, and hit Enter to finish. Scan down your text feedback row at the bottom to verify that the new maximum limit has been successfully accepted by the system. Because if you try to fill a massive box with a very tight pattern, the software might try to draw millions of microscopic lines all at once, which instantly crashes the program. By setting this safety limit, you prevent the app from overloading itself with too much visual detail. It is the key step to getting the right output because it keeps your drawing file lightweight and stable. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.